Hello and welcome back to our channel, the EE Bootcamp. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of nuclear engineering and explore how nuclear reactors work. Nuclear power is a fascinating and complex topic, so let's break it down to a short step-by-step to understand the process behind generating electricity from nuclear energy. Let's get started. Before me dropping value bombs of this video, I would like to introduce the Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course, now available on Udemy. This comprehensive course is your ticket to mastering the principles of nuclear power engineering and taking your career to new heights. Packed with engaging lectures, this course is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of nuclear power engineering principles. And the best part? Upon completing the course, you will receive a prestigious certificate of completion to showcase your newly acquired skills and knowledge. It is a valuable credential that can open doors to exciting career opportunities in the nuclear power industry. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to unlock your potential with Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course. Enroll now and gain access to this top-rated course at an unbeatable price. But hurry, as this offer won't last long. Join us today and take the first step towards a successful career in nuclear power engineering. Enroll now in the Nuclear Power Engineering Principles course on Udemy and unlock your potential. Don't wait and start your learning journey now. Now, if you're interested, the link to this course is provided in the video description below. Alright, so there are 6 steps in how nuclear reactors work, and they are the fuel production, fuel assembly, nuclear fission, heat generation, cooling, and safety measures and waste management. The first step in the process of generating electricity from nuclear energy is fuel production. Nuclear fuel typically used in reactors is enriched uranium-235, which is produced from mined uranium ore. The uranium is extracted, processed, and then converted into small pellets that are loaded into fuel rods. Once the fuel rods are loaded with enriched uranium pellets, they are assembled into fuel assemblies. These fuel assemblies are then loaded into the reactor core, which is the heart of the nuclear power plant. Inside the reactor core, a controlled chain reaction called nuclear fission occurs. In this process, the uranium-235 nuclei in the fuel pellets are bombarded by neutrons, causing them to split into smaller nuclei and release a tremendous amount of energy in the form of heat. The heat generated by nuclear fission is then used to produce steam, which drives a turbine connected to a generator. And as the turbine spins, it generates electricity, which is then sent to the power grid for distribution to homes and businesses. To ensure the safe operation of nuclear reactors, cooling systems are in place to regulate the temperature of the reactor core. Now, this prevents overheating and maintains stable operation. And additionally, safety measures such as control rods, containment structures, and emergency shutdown systems are in place to prevent accidents and protect the environment and public safety. Now, another crucial aspect of nuclear reactors is the management of nuclear waste. Now, while nuclear energy generates a significant amount of electricity, it also produces radioactive waste that needs to be safely stored and managed for long periods of time. There are various methods for storing and disposing of nuclear waste, and it is a topic of ongoing research and debate in the field of nuclear engineering. And that's it. That's the short but sweet step-by-step guide to how nuclear reactors work. From fuel production to nuclear fission, heat generation to cooling and safety measures, as well as waste management, each step plays a critical role in the process of generating electricity from nuclear energy. Now, I hope you find this overview informative and gain a better understanding of the complexities of nuclear energy. Now, if you are enjoying learning about the exciting world of engineering on our channel, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out and you won't want to miss any of our upcoming videos. Bye for now.